Printer rocket ready to dive into 3D printing business? Here are 15 amazing ideas. Rocket printer. Customized jewelry. Create unique and personalized jewelry pieces that cater to individual tastes and styles. Prototyping services. Offer rapid prototyping for product developers and inventors, helping them bring their ideas to life. Home decor. Design and print customizable home decor items, from vases to lampshades, that add a touch of creativity to living spaces. Educational models. Develop educational tools like anatomical models or architectural replicas for schools and institutions. Fashion accessories. Craft stylish and innovative fashion accessories like belts, sunglasses frames, and even wearable tech. Gaming miniatures. Produce intricate miniatures for board games, role-playing games, and hobbyists. Phone accessories. Design and print phone cases, stands, and holders that blend functionality with style. Customized gifts. Create one-of-a-kind gifts for special occasions, like personalized keychains, figurines, or engraved items. Spare parts production. Offer a solution to repair items that are hard to find by 3D printing replacement parts. Dental and medical devices. Develop dental models, prosthetics, and medical aids, contributing to the healthcare industry. Architectural models. Provide architects and real estate professionals with detailed, scaled models of buildings and projects. Automotive components. Print custom car parts and accessories, ranging from interior accents to functional components. Artistic sculptures. Express your artistic prowess by creating intricate sculptures that showcase the beauty of 3D printing. Pet accessories. Craft unique pet products like customized collars, tags, and even pet-friendly furniture. Customized tools. Design and print tools that are tailored to specific tasks, making work more efficient and enjoyable. Ready to transform your 3D printing passion into a thriving business? Explore these ideas and unlock the potential of additive manufacturing. #3D printing business #InnovationUnleashed.